Hi everyone, and welcome to our last lesson for our charcoal still lifes. Today's lesson I'm going to show you how to use the charcoal pencils in order to finish up our still lifes. Our charcoal pencils come in 3 different hardnesses. We have medium, 2B, soft, 4B, and we have extra soft, which is a 6B. Here are little swatches of what each pencil looks like with the same pressure. The softer the pencil, the darker the charcoal is going to come on your paper. It's also important to note that each pencil is going to give you a different degree of detail. If you want a great amount of detail, you're going to use a medium. Once again, this is the image I will be using for my still life. I turned the image into black and white and I upped the contrast. This is going to help me see where my darkest darks are and my lightest lights are when I go in to start shading my still life. Drawing is simply a comparison of value. When we start drawing with our charcoal pencils, we want to identify where the darkest darks are, where the lightest lights are, and then the in-between shades. Using a soft charcoal pencil, I am quickly adding in my shadows. As I go along, I'm also going to redefine my edges with a medium charcoal pencil. For an edge with a highlight, I'm going to go back in with my eraser and redefine that edge as well. And again with my medium pencil, I'm going to go back in and redefine those edges and redefine the darkest shadows. Once I'm pretty happy with my shadows, I can go ahead and start putting my white charcoal pencil in to make my highlights as bright as possible. With a 6B, I'm going to go in and fill in the dark background to make everything pop. You now have the tools to finish your projects, and I will see you on Saturday.